Do. Where'd everyone go? Whoa! Ah! No, you scared the freak out of him. Congratulations, sweeter. You get 1 good point for not cursing. No, he wasn't. No speaking. Oh, hey, Daybreak. You get 1 good point for not cursing. Wait, what? Why are you even doing this? Because, well, we need a cure for its hiccups. Exactly. Hey! Whoa, what? We need to call the smart guy. Guy named Rubber Band Ball. Let's all say it together. A rubber band ball. It didn't work. Let's say it louder. A rubber band ball. Band ball, rubber band ball. I'm here, you guys. What do you need? We need to find a way to cure hiccups. Say the alphabet backwards. Tell elephant. That's not how you pronounce it. Say this. Crazy thing you are. Yes. That's not how you say it. Hey, that's rude. We need to find a way to fix this. Unless you're not smart. Wait. Get bounce. The smart rubber band ball is here today. What's this? So, how are we supposed to cure them? Need to find a secret? No, we want something different. Deodorant. Yeah, the secret deodorant. This is a secret deodorant. I'm going to do this. This is weird. Are you sure this isn't gonna work? It's yes. Let the magic do its magic. Whoa! Right. You deleted the problem in a weird way. It's like Can Your Pet. We do not talk about Can Your Pet here. Now, why? Have you not played the game? It gets so scary when you go for a bike ride. What's wrong with riding with a bike? The bike flips like this, and then the kick falls. What's wrong with that? Yeah, the bike is actually a shredder. And it's a kid's game? Are you serious right now? Yeah. And we do not talk about Can Your Pet here, okay? Okay. Gonna get you out of here. Yeah, bro, self-destructed. It's time to self-destruct the end episode button. Wait, no.